Are you a 3D printing enthusiast or professional? Do your projects require specific color at a time? Have you ever encountered an issue with finding the right color to realize your vision? We have a solution for you. Whether you need a precise match for a unique design or simply want a personal touch, Color Wish offers over 200 RAL Classic colors and selected shades from the RAL D2 Design Plus palette, with the option for entirely custom hues on request. Ordering is easy. Browse our color palette or reach out to our specialist for a specific shade and we'll ensure your PLA filament meets the exact color you envision. Starting from just 1 kilogram spool, Color Wish makes customization accessible. Spectrum Filament's new service enables you to transform your 3D printing ideas into reality with custom color crafted to your needs. Color Wish is more than just another filament, it's an opportunity to cooperate with a company that understands your need for customization. Discover Spectrum Filaments Color Wish service and step into a world of limitless color.